Hello guys, I just want to show you something very exciting that I just did in WPF C Sharp XAML. Now I had a use case. To do something like this. If you look at the screen, this is my Outlook Hotmail account. So you see, as I mouse over each line, you can see that this checkbox turns up and this trash can turns up as well with the delete. So if you go over, but if you are out of scope, none of those things show up. But then if you do this, click on one of them, then all the checkboxes show up, so you can select as many as you want and carry out an action. So that is what I had to do in WPF C Sharp. So let's go over to Visual Studio. So let's spin it up. Yeah, and by the way, I'm currently on a train heading towards the city from Grays in Essex. So yeah, so Visual Studio is spinning up at the moment. There you go.
Welcome aboard the C2C rail
So
service
if you
to
look at
Fenchurch
this,
Street, calling at Upminster, Barking, West Ham, Limehouse, and Fenchurch
you
Street.
can see everything's disappeared. See, everything is disappeared. And then if you click on one, everything shows up with the delete button. So let's delete this one. So checkbox to deleted. So you can see everything is disappeared. But as you mouse over each row, then you can click on the one you want and everything shows up. And then if you unclick, everything disappears and only comes on when you do a mouse over on the row. So this is currently implemented within a list box, and I have a select all button here. So if you do a select all, picks everything. So deselects everything. So you look at this now, you see, it turns it to this state. That's a 3-state checkbox. So you see everything is unselected now. So that's implemented within a list box. So I also implemented the same thing within a combo box as well. So if you look at this, you see, so that's a combo box. And then you can see that the select all checkbox 3-state kicks in, and then everything is unselected. Then you can see that the checkbox and the trash can only shows up with a mouse over. Yeah, I mean, this is so cool. I did this in WPF XAML, and then I also did SuperListBox in context menu. So if you see, this is a context. So same thing again, same principle. And then when everything is unselected, they all disappear. You see? And then add selected items. It goes in here. Then I also did it on a WPF data grid as well. Can you see this? This is so cool. This is so dope. I mean, you look at this. See? And then if I click on one, all these checkboxes show up. And then if I unclick, everything gets deselected. Can you see that? And you can click everything and just say add checked items. You see, that's it. So, and I also did this for a data grid and a context menu. So this really is a data grid, and then bang. You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? And then add checked items to add just the first one. Then also let's play around a little bit. Mixed data. Yeah, so that. Let's play around. Check data. So So that's it really. So I was able to implement this use case, like a mouse over on a row, and it shows up with some UI elements that you may be needing because you're mousing over the row, but as soon as you mouse over away from the row, then it won't bother to show up again. And it's only when you click on one of the entries that all the checkboxes will then show up. So yeah, so pretty much that's what I've got. See you guys later. I think something else I will be doing, if you'll notice something, after clicking on one of the entries, the checkboxes showed up, but the trash can doesn't show up until you mouse over. But in my own situation here, if you click on one of them here, yeah, all the trash cans have already shown up. So what you want, so the next stage of this project is I probably will not make the trash cans show up when one checkbox is selected, but make it only show up with the mouse over. Yeah, I think that's something I'll do just to give myself some exercise and mimic the exact use case that is presented on this screen. So that's it for now, guys. Have a nice day as I journey into the city. Happy coding, and by the way, I was at a Xamarin C# event, and I had the opportunity to meet fellow code monkeys like myself, and we had a very great time. So see you guys. Bye.